Hi guys, so if you're getting this error unable to install some app and your screen is stuck at this, and however time you click on OK, the same message appears again and again. So to get out of this situation, you have to just forcefully restart your iPhone. So for that, just press the volume up button once and then press the volume down button once and then press and hold the right side power key till it gets off and gets on with the Apple Power logo. So let's start. So press the volume up once, down once, and then keep it pressed. Okay, do not leave the right side key. Okay, and wait for it to get off. Again, wait for the Apple logo to appear. Once the Apple logo appears, you can leave the right side key and you have forcefully restarted your iPhone and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.